Hi friends, and welcome to 15-Minute Meals with Vlada. Every day should end with a freshly homemade meal. You're thinking, who has time for a homemade meal on a working day? Well, I'll say we do. So let's get to it. Barron's Market is my place to shop when I don't have time to start from scratch. Today, I'm on a hunt for an interesting pasta because I want to make dinner a little bit more interesting for kids. We got all that we need to whip up quick and delicious dinner. So let's get started. Okay, we're gonna make it quick. So let's get the water boiling for the pasta. I have the water warming up to steam broccoli. And here, we're just gonna go with these beautiful meatballs. Okay, a little bit of olive oil first. Maybe about 2 tablespoons. 1 package of ready-to-cook meatballs. So while meatballs are browning on medium-high fire, I'm gonna go and cut some onions. I already have some garlic that I purchased at the store, but I happen to have some young garlic in my garden, which I will also use in a recipe. Let's check on our meatballs and make sure that they are nicely browned on both sides. Now let's add a little bit of salt to the preheating water and make a quick run to the garden for fresh herbs. Actually, I have a little bit of thyme in here, so I'll use some of that. And I'm gonna go with a couple of branches of fresh oregano. Okay, meatballs are done, and we don't want to overcook them because they will continue to simmer in a sauce. So let's get the meatballs out. Okay, and now let's finish up our sauce. A good teaspoon of garlic. I can never have too much garlic. We want to make sure that we don't overcook garlic. So golden brown before we add fresh garlic or onions if you have. I'm adding onions, but you don't have to. A little bit of salt and pepper, and then we're going to add fresh herbs. I'm adding half herbs now and half towards the end of this dish. If you don't have fresh herbs, use a 1/4 teaspoon of dry oregano and a 1/4 teaspoon of dry thyme. We will let them cook for just a few seconds before we add the sauce. Barron's carries assortment of wonderful pasta sauces, so you feel free to pick your favorite one. Sauce is simmering, and we're going to give it about 5 minutes for sauce to kind of get incorporated while we cook the pasta. Let's get our broccoli on steam, and then we're moving back to the sauce. And sauce is ready for meatballs. We're gonna add the meatballs, let it simmer for another minute or 2. We're gonna add fresh herbs just to awaken the flavor of herbs again, and then next is pasta. It's very important not to overcook your pasta, and you can use all kinds of different pastas with this sauce. We wanted to experiment with this particular kind because it was different. And it was unusual, so it looked like a fun pasta to have. With pasta done, we are ready to serve. And just because we made this meal in 15 minutes, that doesn't mean that we should not take our sweet time to enjoy it, because every bite and every day counts. So all that's left to do is to drizzle a little bit of olive oil on a dish, and we are ready to serve. Thank you all for watching, and big thank you to Barron's Market for helping simplify parenting and making dinner. Thank you for amazing ingredients, and also thank you for playing such an important part in building stronger communities. Okay, that's all for today. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up, sign up for the next recipe, and I'm looking forward to seeing you soon. So until then, take good care of yourself and those around you.
Hey, Mom, is this all for me?
To find out more about my charitable organization and our initiative to bring families back to dining table for a quality family time and to help reconnect families and communities in America, please visit VLADA'S.com.